You don't have to take up half of your trunk or cram more than you can fit on your bike to power your sound system. Stop worrying about space. Feed your speakers and subs the power they need with NVX's MVP amplifiers. Whether you need the MVPA1 monoblock for your subs, the MVPA4 4-channel amp for your door speakers, or both for all of it, these tiny amps pack more than enough punch to get that perfect sound in your ride. They're even CEA 2006 compliant, meaning the power rating on the box is what you get. The MVPA1 delivers 300 watts of continuous power at 2 ohms. Dual speaker outputs simplify your installation whether you're powering 1 or 2 subwoofers. The low-pass filter, bass boost switch, and phase adjustment give you tons of control over your low end. The MVPA4 pushes up to 400 watts RMS to 4 channels. Full, high, and low-pass filters fine-tune your sound, and the input selector switch offers more versatility. Power 4 door speakers, bridge the channels to send more juice to 2 high-powered drivers, or power a pair of speakers and a sub in 3-channel mode. Both models include high-level input harnesses to tap into your factory speaker wiring, but RCA inputs are also built in for aftermarket systems. Removable metal mounting feet come with both amps, as well as tough 3M hook and loop pads. No matter where you need to put your MVP amp, you've got the right mounting options all in one box. Best of all, both models are about 5.5 inches long by 4 inches wide, allowing you to tuck these away just about anywhere. Compact, powerful, and versatile, NVX's MVP amps save space while pushing out big power.